Hi, so this is the original docking station. So here's my Nintendo Switch, and I'm gonna put it in the docking station. And on the top left, we can see that it's charging. You can see the little toner there. Then, if I turn it on, so we can see it on the screen. So we have the same thing. So now I'm gonna take it out. And I'm gonna plug the one that I bought from you. So I'm going to plug the HDMI and the USB. And I'm gonna plug them into this thing. So first I'm gonna plug this one. So on the USB-C. So it's already plugged. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other one. So it's here. I'm gonna put it here. And well, I'm gonna take the same Nintendo. I'm gonna put it here, and so it doesn't turn on. I'm gonna switch it on, and it switches here, and it doesn't send anything to the HDMI. Now, let's say that is the button behind. So I'm gonna push it. So nothing on this TV. So no signal. I'm gonna turn it on. Nothing changed. Then, well, I'm gonna put it turn on. So in this case, it's turned on. I'm gonna put it in the docking station. So nothing happens here. So it's not charging on the TV. Nothing on the TV. Again, I'm gonna push the button here. Nothing. No signal. So I guess that I got a faulty unit.